this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little box using the Celebration Tidings bundle. So here's the cute little box, and I have a template for you to show you how to make it. So I used the bundle, and this is the die that I used. It has 5 dies, and I used the second largest one right here. And these obviously go together. And I also used this piece as well. So let's break this down. First, we're going to start with this die. So I scored it at 3/4 from this side. Then I turned it around and I scored it at 3/4 on this side. I'm going to grab my trimmer. So here's my trimmer. So I stuck it in here and I lined this up at 3/4, and I used this to score. And then I opened it back up again and turned it around, and I lined it up at 3/4, and I scored it again. Okay, now this is the tricky part. You're going to line this up, and actually you can't use this trimmer for this. You need to do the Simply Scored. So let me grab the Simply Scored. So on the Simply Scored, you need to place this notch right here at the 3-inch line, right there. And make sure that it's placed all the way through. Then you need to score at 2 5/8 right there, and 3 3/8 right here. Okay? So line this up at 3. So I'm going to place this down so you can take a screenshot of that. Okay, now that you've got your screenshot and your template, you're just going to fold on all your score lines, and then you're going to put that aside. And now we're going to do the box part. So the box is just a wee bit under 7 inches. It's 6 31/32, 32s. So it's just, if you put it in your trimmer, you're basically going to have it be a little bit smaller than 7. You're just going to go 7 15/16 in between the 7 and the 15/16 right there. Cut it there, and then the same thing, it's a little bit smaller than 3 3/4. So then you're going to bring it to 3 3/4. Okay, and then you're just going to go a wee bit over from 3 3/4. My guide is a little bit smaller than that. Whoopsie. Okay. And then you're going to score. So scoring is much easier. You're going to score at 3 1/8, and then you're going to flip it over and score at 3 1/8. Okay, score. And then you're going to score, you're going to go to the 3, and you're going to do one tiny tick away from the 3. So it's 2 15/16. So you're going to put that down, and you're going to score at 2 15/16 from both edges. 2 15/16. Okay, so these measurements are a little bit strange. I'm going to put this down too, so you can snap a screenshot of that. Little bit tricky measurements, but doable. Okay, so now you're gonna fold on all the score lines of this one. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of trimming. We're going to trim just these two right here on opposite sides. And same thing here, just a little bit harder to see. You kind of have to feel or see if you can see on the other side. It's hard to see on the other side too. You can see this one. That one's really hard to see. I hope that it's right there. All right, so now we're going to put this together, and I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus. And I'm going to put some adhesive on this little tab right here. And I'm going to stick that in between. I'm going to do this tab, and then this tab, and then I'm gonna do this tab. So I'm gonna put this tab in between. No, what am I doing? This goes here, this goes here. So I should have put the adhesive on the other side. And this goes here, because I just want it to be clear. It actually doesn't matter on this one. All right, so this goes here, this goes here, and then this one goes here. I feel like my measurements on this one were a little bit off, so I'm going to do some trimming to make my box look prettier. Okay, so there's the box. All right, so this is the one where I really need to do the thing. So this time I'm gonna put the adhesive here, and I'm only gonna put the adhesive part way down on this one. Okay, so we're gonna go this one, so this one, and then the front one, this one. And it's so cute because of the scallops. Look at how cute that is. The scallops perfectly line up, and then hopefully this fits over top. Yay! Okay, last step is just to stamp Just for You in Shaded Spruce. And this was done by another demonstrator. I got this from her blog. I think she did a video on it as well. I just wanted to do some templates. I'm more visual. And I changed this part a tiny bit, not much. Just add some dimensionals here. or white crinkled ribbon. I think I changed the ribbon and the positioning of the sentiment. That's all. Everything else pretty much is the same. But it's such a cute little box. And she filled it up with, I can't remember, I think it was a certain kind of candy. So I'm gonna have to go find something that will fit in this box. Something yummy and cute that will fit in this box. And there we go. There's our super cute box. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please click on the notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted. Thanks, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.